Hit the object mode layout and add a circle. Add a solidify modifier to it, and then bevel the edges and remove the center faces. Add a default cube. Disconnect these two nodes. Add a line node. Connect that to an attribute node and then to a point instance node. Select the instances to be position X, Y, and Z accordingly. We'll need this later on. Select the point instance node and change it from vector to attributes. Change that to Z that we had earlier. You'll see that you see multiples of the same shape you want to curve. Add a point rotate and an attribute math node. You'll want to make this math node multiply and the other one add so you can change the direction of your curve in your spiral. Tweak as needed. Keyframe the curve. To add color, head to the shading tab and select your original object. Add a object info into a color ramp node into the principal PSDF and color away. The spiral is your canvas. After that, you're done. You can now hit play, and after you've keyframed your movement, you can watch your spiral take shape. Be careful not to get stuck in a trance and stare at this for hours, like I may or may not have done.